Was it even like? I can't remember.
I
Gwen
Stefani song. You even nice pig.
That's brilliant.
I don't know why I thought it was Gwen Stefani for a second. Is that Mary Greenacre?
Where?
Coming through? I think so, maybe. Is it Mary Greenacre?
Yeah.
Mary! Mary Greenacre. I love that she come back. What over shit?
What did you think she was going to say? What did you say?
I said, you know...
In your Mary voice. No, what did you say? I didn't hear it.
You did hear it. Well, when she goes, what do you want, you little shit?
She doesn't say shit, that's rude.
Like earlier when I was talking and she called me Luke. Proof she don't like you.
She's used to saying my name and being horrible.
Shut up, you twit.
Yeah, it is. If you twit, that's what she was saying.
No, Ross, I don't need a twit. When I was in there earlier, I was telling her the story of Mary Greenacre.
The Ballad of Mary.
I was telling her basically she's a teacher that knows nothing, is blind, that dresses up as a potato sack or a blanket, and everyone's a twit and she don't need a poo. Was that in Harry Potter?
Was that in Harry Potter?
And then there was like, I was sitting there and everyone was shitting themselves. So was that Harry Potter?
Probably. Oh, I've got to watch this now.